BOSCH CM10GD Compacte Miter Saw Review. Axial-Glide proof and a smaller footprint. Mid-project, 3 compound cuts in, and the saw still wasn't sitting flush against the wall. I watched a carpenter push his workbench out twice just to clear the sliding rails. Frustrating doesn't cover it. Small shops punish the wrong tools fast. That moment of cramped, dusty compromise stays with you. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if your workspace has ever felt impossibly tight. The wasted minutes are one thing. The gnawing stress of inaccurate detents and blurry bevel scales is another level entirely. There's something almost suffocating about setting up the same cut 4 times because the fence shifted. A friend once scrapped an entire run of crown molding over a misread angle. The right tool quietly removes that chaos before it ever begins. Then I discovered how much one engineering decision can change everything. Don't just grab any miter saw. Make sure it has an Axial-Glide system so you never deal with rear rail clearance ruining your workspace layout again. The BOSCH CM10GD Compacte Miter Saw replaces protruding slide rails with articulated hinge arms, reclaiming up to 10 inches of depth without sacrificing crosscut capacity. That means flush-to-wall placement in a small shop. Really. The 15-amp motor runs at 4,800 RPM, powering through oak and maple cleanly with the included 60-tooth carbide blade. Dual bevel capacity reaches 47 degrees left and right, with upfront controls so you never awkwardly reach behind the base mid-cut. The electric brake stops the blade fast. The tall sliding fences handle crown molding confidently. One Finnish carpenter was minutes from abandoning a tight interior trim job entirely. He repositioned the CM10GD against the wall, made the compound cut cleanly, and finished ahead of schedule. Dust collection and long-term accuracy come next, and that part gets even better. Once dialed in, the BOSCH CM10GD Compacte Miter Saw quietly reshapes the daily rhythm of a woodworking space. Compound cuts that once required flipping material now resolve in a single pass. Bevel adjustments happen up front, quickly, without contortion. The glide action stays smooth and consistent through repeated passes in hardwood. Time compounds in your favor. A veteran trim carpenter with 20 years across multiple brands called it the smoothest, most accurate saw they had used, and that came after testing DeWalt, Makita, and Hitachi models side by side. A tool reviewer awarded it a 10 out of 10 and declared it a workshop staple, specifically praising its crown molding precision and bevel control. An industrial analyst highlighted that the Axial-Glide design outperforms traditional rail systems in tight shop environments because it removes rear clearance entirely. One everyday woodworker mid-project reported that switching to dual bevel eliminated cumulative angle error across a full set of picture frames. Now, the common objection is weight. At 64 pounds, this saw stays put. But for anyone with a dedicated station or rolling stand, that heft actually improves stability during long sessions. Is your current saw fighting you or working with you? See why professionals quietly refuse to trade this one away. The BOSCH CM10GD Compacte Miter Saw keeps earning its place in serious workshops because it solves real problems without compromise. Calmer workflow, sharper angles, cleaner cuts, and a footprint that respects your space. Thousands of Finnish carpenters and cabinet makers are already running this saw daily with consistent results, though results may vary depending on setup and material. Smart upgrade. If you're ready to experience that difference firsthand, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Go explore it today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.